If your floors could talk, they'd beg for the one robot that actually knows when to scrub, when to suck, and when to get out of the way. And yes, there are only a few that do it right. Here's the game plan. A clear, tested-field countdown of the 6 best robot vacuum mop combos, with real-world upsides, small annoyances, and the bottom line for each, so you don't waste money on a bot that just drags a damp rag around. Stick to the end. 6. Roborock S7 Max Ultra. Let's start with a unit that set a template. Strong suction, smart mopping, and a dock that actually keeps the robot ready for the next run. The S7 Max Ultra pushes around 5,500 PA, pairs Viberize scrubbing with auto lift on carpet, and uses a fully loaded rock dock that washes and dries the mop, refills, and auto empties the dustbin so the maintenance feels almost boring in a good way. The run time lands around a quoted 180 minutes, and on mixed floors, it keeps a steady pace with efficient routes and predictable coverage. Here's what matters. Cleaning consistency is high, especially on hard floors, where the vibrating plate can break up dried spots better than simple drag mops. The dock's warm air drying helps avoid that stale mop smell, which sounds tiny, but matters after week 3. You know that moment when you realize it's been 2 weeks and you've done nothing? That's the vibe. Now, the well part. Obstacle detection on this variant isn't the camera-based system of the Max V, so cables, pet toys, and low-profile items can be its kryptonite more than you'd like for the price. The dock is also bulky, which is fine in a laundry room, not great in an apartment entryway. And yes, the price can still sting given newer rivals offering hotter mop wash cycles and edge-reaching tricks. 5. Dreame X50 Ultra. This one's a muscle bot. The X50 Ultra cranks suction massively, up to the 20,000 PA range, and pairs it with a dual roller brush module that's designed to reduce tangles and funnel hair where it can be lifted cleanly. Dual spinning pads, retractable LiDAR, and a good-looking dock make it feel high-end the second it maps your place. When it's on carpet, debris pickup is excellent, and pet hair performance is standout for a lift pad robot. Let me explain. That duo brush system matters. It channels longer hair and limits wraps so you're not fishing around the brush as often. On both hard floors and carpet, pickup is almost, did it really get all that? Good. Add nearly silent mopping and you've got a daily driver that doesn't annoy anyone during calls. Here's the caveat. Speed. It runs slower than some peers, which translates into more battery drain to cover the same area. Edge cleaning, even with an extending pad, can still leave a whisper of debris at wall lines, and while the dock is elegant, the price is too. If your floor plan is large and your expectations are clean to the trim, you'll notice the edges. Day-to-day, setup is straightforward: fill water, slot detergent, quick map, done. The app control is mature, room naming is simple, and route efficiency is solid once it learns your layout. 4. Eufy Omni C20. Think compact, capable, and budget-friendlier with real mopping chops. The Omni C20 sits just 3.35 inches tall, so it slides under low couches where bigger bots bump and retreat. It runs dual spinning pads with firm downward pressure, auto-lifts mops on carpet, and scores impressively on dried stain removal while leaving less water behind than typical peers. On hard floors, that combo translates into clean and dry results without streaky residue. Here's what matters. Mopping metrics aren't just marketing. Above-average stain removal and notably low leftover water make it feel finished after a pass. The station handles auto-emptying, pad washing, and drying, which keeps the routine low-touch. For apartments or furniture-dense rooms, the low profile is a quiet superpower. Now, temper expectations on avoidance and battery depth. Obstacle recognition is basic, and battery scores trail some premium bots. Navigation is LiDAR-based and competent, but not elite at complex clutter compared to camera-aided systems. In a tidy home, you won't notice. In a toy and cables gauntlet, you will. Still, daily reliability is strong for its lane. It handles mixed debris, transitions thresholds up to about 18 millimeters, and keeps pet areas presentable with regular runs. If you're thinking, just give me a station that handles itself and don't get stuck, this checks the big boxes without the price cliff. 3. Roborock Qrevo series. The Qrevo family has been leveling up with serious suction and clever edge tools. Newer Qrevo variants tout massive PA ratings, dual anti-tangle systems, and FlexiArm tech that physically extends a side brush and a right-side mop to reach into corners and along baseboards. Pair that with hot water mop washing, warm air drying, auto refill, and auto empty, and you've got a low-maintenance platform with better edge coverage than most. Let me explain the value. Edge contact is the hardest thing for round bots. Extending brushes and an extendable mop that hugs the wall closes that gap, so those faint gray lines near trim are less of a thing. Add 75 to 80 degree hot water pad washing, and you get cleaner pads and less odor, especially after kitchen runs. Navigation is modern LiDAR with retract sense tricks to duck under low furniture, plus object recognition on certain trims. In practice, route efficiency is high, and multi-floor mapping is easy. The docks are feature-rich without needing constant babysitting, which is the whole point of a hands-free robot. Performance on debris and pet hair is confident, with high suction variants handling carpet lift and floor gaps better than the average. The station's fast charging and off-peak scheduling are thoughtful quality-of-life extras if you like to run at night or in sync with energy plans. 2. Yeedi M12 Pro Plus. Here's the surprise contender that punches up on value. The M12 Pro Plus brings a full-bore Omni-style station, strong vacuuming, and especially good mopping for its price, with obstacle avoidance that blends LiDAR mapping plus 3D front sensors and lasers. In controlled tests, it scored above average on avoidance and mapped quickly with efficient coverage, while offering a large battery and real-world runtime that keeps pace in mid to large spaces. What makes it click is the balance. Mopping features feel premium. Avoidance is good enough to reduce Come Rescue Me notifications, and the dot keeps pads washed and dried without fuss. It's not perfect in torture-level obstacle gauntlets, few are, but in a realistic home, it behaves like a reliable coworker that doesn't need hand-holding. Navigation stands out. First maps are fast, room segmentation is sensible, and route choices don't feel random. It ranked top 3 in efficiency in comparative testing, which you notice in shorter clean cycles and better coverage per charge. For anyone coming from older bump and guest spots, the upgrade is night and day. Daily maintenance is light. Auto empty, pad care, and solid app control. If you want premium behavior without the premium bill, this one hits the sweet spot for most households. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. Number 1 isn't the most expensive, it's the one that people actually enjoy living with. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 nails the fundamentals at a mid-range price. Simultaneous vacuum and mop, a self-empty base, sharp LiDAR mapping, and genuinely good pet hair handling for the money. It even fires a gust of air along edges to push debris into the suction path, which sounds silly until you see the line disappear. Here's what matters. Mapping is fast and accurate. Obstacle navigation is steady, and while the mop isn't a pressure washer, the oscillating pad scrubs better than wipe and hope designs. For busy homes, the 60-day self-empty claim is realistic if you don't have a petting zoo, and even when you do, the cadence is still manageable. It's the kind of robot that quietly becomes part of your routine. Yes, the app can be buggy, and it won't self-empty while in mopping mode, plus bigger debris can trip it up more than dual roller competitors. But for the price tier, the total package, cleaning, mapping, reliability, feels properly dialed in. If you've been burned by overpromises, this one restores a little faith. Day to day, it handles mixed floors, pet tumbleweeds, and under-table zones without drama. The smaller main brush means it sometimes needs an extra pass on wide debris fields, but its navigation logic keeps runs efficient enough that it doesn't feel slow. The result is floors that look like someone actually cared. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.